Big breaking news coming in. Crucial review meeting of farm unions has begun. The farmer unions have begun their reviews. They are reviewing the proposals that have been sent to them by the centre. A little while back, we were the first to break the proposal sent by the centre, and the government has listed a few key things for the farmers to review at the moment. The farmer unions were still to respond to it. Just for our viewers who have tuned in, this is a review meeting of farmers to review this particular proposals. The farmers got government proposal on farm laws, and as per the proposal, what the government has proposed is the same tax for market and APMC, assurance that farmers will not lose land, and origin MSP assurance as well. All of this is to allay their fears. The farmer unions still are to respond to this. Anisha Mathur joining us for the very latest on this. Anisha, we were talking about the offer that the government has put out in this particular proposal to allay the fears of the farmers as well. We listed out what the points that have been entailed are. The farmer unions at the moment have currently begun their review of this crucial proposal. It's too early for me to ask you how they are responding to it, but what's the general sense that you're picking up as you're with the farmers right there?
Well, Jyoti, remember the government has been talking about what they are willing to concede. Even yesterday night's meeting with the Home Minister, there were certain points that the government had said we could guarantee to you. And all of that includes the guaranteed MSP changes in the APMC Act, but registration of the companies that are going to be allowed to purchase from the market, as well as tax parity between APMCs and the open market. There are also the government has also said that the rules regarding the approach to courts, because right now the act says that you can't approach courts, you have to go to the area SDM. That will also be changed. They will allow farmers to approach courts if there are any disputes. However, what we're picking up from the farmers here is that they are still adamant on the complete rollback. Some of the farmers we've spoken to are saying that the government is just trying to delay this entire negotiation. They're just giving a lollipop to the farmer, and this is, I'm quoting one of the farmer leaders who's been speaking here, that the government is trying to simply give a lollipop to the farmers and they're not actually agreeing to what their concerns are. One other issue that has been flagged by some of the farmer leaders is that the concerns regarding changes in the Essential Commodities Act, because the government had taken several crops out of the Essential Commodities list. That has not yet been addressed. The farmers are also questioning whether any change will be made in the provisions regarding the mortgaging of land, that the farmers are afraid that if they enter into contracts with the corporates, that will lead to the corporates just taking over their land. So a lot of things are being raised by the farmers here, but as you just pointed out, the meeting has just begun. The farmer leaders are in a huddle about 2 kilometers away from where these tents where the farmers are sitting and speaking are. So we'll find out in about an hour or two, once the meeting is over, what kind of a response the farmer leaders are going to give. But at this moment, right now, here the people who are here are saying that we wanted a yes or no answer from the government. Will they agree to roll back these laws or not? And that does not seem to be happening. So the standoff still remains. Let's see what the farmer leaders have to say by the end of the day.
Oh, absolutely. The standoff still continues. There has been no rollback of the farm laws as the farmer unions had requested, but there have been certain proposals and certain points given out by the government that can allay their fears at this point of time. We're waiting for an official word to come in from the farmers union. In the meanwhile...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.